Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Azim Yoga. This is me, Azim. I am your fitness friend and welcome to the Super Sunday episode. Today I'm going to discuss about the 4 ingredients and the 4 food which actually are killing the Pakistanis and India and some of the other countries in Asia who are actually using that 4 ingredients. And this is the reason that every other guy and girl is suffering from the stomach disorder. So watch the video completely. And if you are new in my channel, so do subscribe for all the amazing videos that we upload in every week. So let's start. As we were discussing about the 4 ingredients and 4 food that are very dangerous for the human being, whoever person is using that. The number 1, white sugar, which is actually known as the white poison as well. Have you seen the sugar can? It actually in the dark brown color, and how the sugar can be in a white color. You can actually imagine that it's so much processed, which is very much harmful for the stomach and for the human body as well. So we actually avoid the white sugar, and what we can do is we can use the organic shakkar and the brown sugar as an alternative, but in a less quantity. Ingredient number 2, which is the white salt, especially the iodine salt. This is also known as the white poison. It has been observed that if we use the excessive amount of iodine salt, we actually suffer from the thyroid. It also disturbs the digestive function as well. So we have to quit the 100% of iodine salt. What we can use in alternative, we can use the black salt, we can use the sea salt, we can use the pink salt. It also helps to improve the digestive function as well. Number 3 ingredient is the processed oil and the processed ghee, which is very famous in today's market, especially the sunflower oil. This is very harmful. This actually causes the high blood pressure or the cholesterol as well. It has a very unhealthy fat. We have to avoid the 100% of the processed ghee and processed oil. What actually we can use an alternative of that processed ghee and oil, we can use the sesame oil, we can use the sarson ka oil, we can actually use the desi ghee. It also have the good fat as well. Number 4 is the very yummiest and the very delicious food, which is the chicken, broiler chicken. This is very unhealthy. I wish that I could bring you to the poultry farm. I'll make you to see and observe what sort of actually feed they're feeding to their chicks. You will never be able to have or to taste that. Believe me, this is too unhealthy. The wastage of the dead hen is being used in the feed as well. So this is totally unhealthy and we have to put it 100%. What actually we can use it in alternative, we can eat the desi chicken and we can eat the beef and mutton as well. The broiler chicken weakens the bones and the muscle. Desi chicken, beef and mutton strengthen your muscle and strengthen your bone as well. These were the 4 ingredients that I shared, and I'm sure that you will totally avoid in your diet, in your food, and you will definitely get the benefit and your digestive system will be improved. I'm sure you liked the video. If you do, so hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe for all the amazing videos coming up on every Thursday and Sunday. Enjoy your happy life, keep smiling, take care, Allah Hafiz.